Don't you see?
Honor 7X is one of the first budget phone in the Indian market to come with smaller bezels and new aspect ratio. That phone enjoys a lot of success in the Indian market. 1 year down the line, now it's time for the Honor 8X, the successor to the 7X, to hit the Indian market with a premium pricing and bigger battery and bigger display. Hey guys, welcome to Phone Freaky. In this video, let's unbox the Honor 8X and have a first look. Before unboxing, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please consider subscribing and press the bell icon for more new videos. Let's get started. This is the box and it's huge. Let's see what Huawei offering here. Huawei mentioned that this is having a octa-core processor and 4GB of RAM with a full HD plus resolution display and a 20 megapixel rear camera with a 3750 mAh battery. And the price mentioned in the box is 17,999, but you can get as low as 15,000 sometimes. Let's open the box and see what else we have. Opening up the box, we have the phone itself wrapped in a protective plastic case, which is good. Let's keep the phone aside, and we have greeted with a small box. I'm assuming this will be a plastic protective case that coming with so many phones these days. Yes, we are getting manuals and a protective case, which is not bad considering it's coming out of the box. And we have a micro USB cable, still no Type-C here, and finally a wall adapter, which is not a fast charger. Let's keep all the things aside and see how the phone looks. Believe me guys, this is a huge phone. I'm a person who coming from a Galaxy S8. For me, this is just huge. The front of the phone houses 6.5-inch LCD panel with a 19:9 aspect ratio with a respectable full HD plus resolution with a notch. And this notch having a 16 megapixel camera and an earpiece and sensors. On the right side, we can find volume rocker and a power key. The SIM tray located on top left side, and it can take 2 SIM cards and a micro SD at the same time, which is amazing. And a secondary microphone on top, and a speaker grill, micro USB port and a headphone jack, which is located on the bottom of the phone. The glass back of this phone is just beautiful, which houses a fingerprint scanner and dual camera setup with Honor branding. This is a dual camera setup like the Honor 7X, but the main 13 megapixel sensor on the Honor 7X, which is swapped for a 20 megapixel sensor, and a 2 megapixel depth sensor is present, and which is powered by AI. Honor throws so many features in this app like photos, videos. You can capture photos with AI support and portrait mode, and you can select on which resolution you have to record the videos and the photos as well. These are some of the samples which showcase the camera capabilities. The processor underneath is a homemade high silicon 710, which is a brand new processor. This is the first phone to feature this processor, which is an octa-core processor, and this is much powerful than the Kirin 659 which we saw on Honor 7X. We cannot say like this is a flagship like processor, but it stands anywhere between the Snapdragon 636 and Snapdragon 652. As of now, the experience is very smooth here. Talking about the experience, this is running on Android 8.1 Oreo with Huawei's own EMUI 8.3 on top, which throws a lot of features like changing display resolutions, gestures, option to hide the notch, and bringing the app drawer. This UI features so many features, and how to see when Honor pushes the Android Pie update for this phone. Hope you guys like the video. If you like the video, please like the video and please subscribe to Phone Freaky. More Honor 8X videos are coming with a full review following very soon. Please be subscribed and stay tuned. Have a good day guys.